G'day Australia, Corum E here. I have been at it again, inventing new things. Here in my hand is something that I should have done about 10 years ago. Been meaning to do it for ages. Finally got it together. This is a fast amplifier install harness for Ford Falcon Sedans and Utes. So what this will do is let you install something like a kicker key smart amplifier to a Ford FG Falcon by allowing you to run the correct cables to the correct places. Now, we've got a cheat sheet available on the website on the tech section of universalfuze.com.au, which has got a A4 sheet showing you exactly where all these connections are made. Here's the thing, in the Ford FG, we can't do a plug and play interface like we do in a lot of, and the Ford BA Falcon as well, of course. We can't do a plug and play interface like we do for a lot of our other products. It's just due to the design of the vehicle and the way the wiring is in the car. It doesn't let us tap in plug and play. So we haven't had a plug and play interface available for this car. However, for the Ford Falcon, we can do a fast harness and cheat sheet that lets you, with a couple of manual connections, do a DIY amplifier installation the correct and professional way. So we've put together this epic little fast harness which has speaker input and output wires ready to go. Let's just take an example here. So here I've got the right front speaker input wire and output wire. That cheat sheet that we have available on the website shows you exactly where to connect this. The connections you'll make are all at the kick panels just next to the footwell in the driver's side and the passenger side for all the speaker input and output connections. The cheat sheet will show you how to get it done. You've got to do a little bit of soldering, not the end of the world. Watch our other videos on soldering techniques or have a little bit of research online and you'll find all the best ways to solder. Get yourself a soldering iron from Bunnings or JCar or something like that and do this the best way. We will put a bunch of connection accessories in the bag with the kit. You've got heat shrink will be there already for you to be able to heat shrink this up correctly. And then once you've made all your input output connections on the car side, all the wires are there to do it at the amplifier side as well. So just following the instructions that come with the amplifier, make all the input output settings on the amp. When I say input output settings, input output connections on the amp. When I say input output connections, what I mean is the amp has amplified output to the speaker. So there'll be a signal that comes out of the amp into the fast harness all the way along to where you've connected at the kick panel, which will amplify the speaker. But before it can put sound out, it needs to have sound in. So at that same point, you'll be tapping into the factory wiring to get a signal, a sound audio input high level signal from the factory audio unit, and that'll come into the amp. The amp will then amplify it and beam it back out to the speaker. Now, here's the next thing as well, which I'm going to point out here. God, Addy, your lunch smells very good. This guy's eating lunch while I'm trying to do a video, killing me. So this is a smart amplifier, and these are the amps that we prefer to use for the FG Falcon in particular. The audio output that comes out of the FG Falcon head unit is very, very ordinary. So when we put a big beefy amplifier on that limited output, all it does is make really loud, messy noise. What you need to do to be able to correct that is put in, ideally, a smart amplifier. When I say smart amplifier, what I mean, this thing will take that input signal that's coming in from your new input output harness. It will clean it up, tidy it up, give you lots of adjustment over it. It smooths out some of the peaks and troughs that are in the audio output from the head unit. It helps compensate for resonance and reverberation inside the cabin. And this smart amplifier will actually tune itself with a microphone that's included in the kit and compensate for all of the weird anomalies in your sound and give you a very pure, clear, amplified output to your aftermarket speakers. So you're going to want to buy this amplifier. This is the smartest amplifier for an FG Falcon. It's going to give you 50 watts by 4, pretty decent output. That's going to get a decent set of speakers screaming. You're going to select this input output interface harness as a part of your kit so that we can give you the easiest means possible to install it. And then you're going to want to upgrade your speaker system as well. A really excellent option is one of our excellent sets of MTX speaker packs, which are a really perfect match up to this kicker key amplifier. So get over to the website and have a little look at the Ford page. There's a whole bunch of packs on there and it will show you what's what. But this is an exciting product. I'm really, really happy to be finally bringing it to market, even though I should have really done it about 10 years ago. Silly me, but we have it now and it's ready to go. Check out the cheat sheet at universalfuze.com.au. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I hope you've learned something. Make sure you hit that subscribe button wherever it is, and we'll see you again soon.